Langka. Langka pala to. Langka. I-try daw pinatry ni Naknak ito. Wait, Nak. It's a dried mixed fruits and veggies. Look.
Oh.
Wow! Look. Hindi natin lahatin kasi baka masayang lang yung isda. I'm gonna try it, Anak. It's a mixed fruits and crispy. Let me hear. Let me hear the crispy. Jackfruit yata yan. Wow! It's crispy. Mommy. This cucumber. Ay, cucumber ba ito? Ito. I'm not sure.
Drink water. Drink water, Mommy.
Crispy.
Why? It is so, I think I made.
Ito okra.
It's falling down. Ayaw naman.
Try na.
It's so yucky. Ayaw na. What's the one? Yeah, this is orange.
Ang sarap mo ng okra. Sabi nila mas pinakasama masarap daw yung okra. Pagkagat mo ng gano'n. Meron pa rin yung dulas niya pero masarap siya.
Melon. Melon, Mommy. I'm not going to pull him. I can't jump it anymore. Jump. I can jump.
Sarap. Sitaw.
Where's my jump? Here.
Try natin sitaw.
Oh, uy, no. Uy.
Parang green fish siya. Sarap.
Maybe it's crispy.
Wow, crispy. What is that, anak?
Crispy.
What flavor?
Crispy.
Is that a potato? Potato yata ito yun. Ito, kay Star.
This is a potato.
Hindi siya yung hindi siya yung pure lang na dried. May something na pa rin silang nilagay kasi parang may lasa pa rin nakakaiba.
I know this is a cow.
Ito carrots to malamang syempre.
Let's do it.
Ito carrots. Sarap. Manamis-tamis.
Oh wait.
Yes. It's yummy. Is it good? Ganon? Thumbs up. Ito violet. Ano pa nga ba ito violet? Sobrang crispy. Ang violet. At saka okra. Sobrang crispy. Pagkagat mo talaga. Crispy na crispy. Ito medyo matigas. Yung buo na crispy. Yung okra is yung manipis lang siya na crispy talaga. Masarap pa rin naman yung sitaw. Parang beans, yung green peas.
Wait. Forget the plants.
I like it.
plants.
Itong violet, hindi ko alam po anong
Wait,
ano
I
to.
get the plants.
Dragon fruit ba to?
I
Violet.
get the plants.
Ito cucumber ata to.
Oh.
Fresh veggies on the grain farm.
Mommy.
100% natural daw. I'm not sure kung ito yung pinaka-original niya na yung ina-advertise ni Doc Weedy. Look what Star eating right now is the dried mixed fruits and veggies.
Hey! Mommy, 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 mommy. 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 Hey! Mommy, 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 mom
show them what you're eating. Wow, it's so crunchy. You hear that? Another one. Is it a potato or a sweet potato?
Potato.
Okay, can you let me hear how crunchy it is? Is it masarap? Here. Wow, that sounds so good. Hear that? Did you hear that, people? Yeah. Ito, oh. This is a mushroom.
Mushroom.
Yes.
Give me.
Another one.
Mushroom.
Very crunchy.
There's a mushroom and another.
Yes, you eat that.
Wow, it is like a low blood. Like.
Roblox.
I like a light
String
tomatoes.
beans.
I like it in my mushroom. Lights.
Crunchy. Good. Masarap yung beans. String beans.
Makain na dadali ko na and out of my teeth.
Ito may langka pa siya. Sarap ng langka. Dapat pagkabukas mo, kainin mo kaagad kasi mahanginan siya. Hindi na siya maging crunchy. Sarap. Talagang lasang langka. Ito para siyang ube. Ube siya. Nom. Water.